This is Sedimentary Rocks by Sarah, Courtney, and Victoria. Our rock type is sedimentary. Sediments form rocks called sedimentary rocks. Small pieces of rock turn into pebbles, gravel, sand, and clay.
First, rocks are weathered and eroded.
Weathering is when rocks, soils, and minerals are broken down. Erosion is the process of weathering and transport of solids. So the rock breaks down to small pieces of rock and minerals called sediments.
Then sediments may be carried to a new site, usually by a river or stream, and get deposited into riverbeds or seas. The sediments are deposited in layers which become buried and compacted.
Compacted means to be pressed down and packed together. This step may take millions of years. The particles are cemented together to form sedimentary rocks. Because the rocks are sometimes formed at the bottom of the ocean, shells or other rocks may get caught in the rock.
A rock with shells in it is classified as an organic rock. This means that it is formed either indirectly or directly from material that was once living.
For example, organic rock may have shells from a clam that died and its shell sunk to the ocean floor, so the piece of shell gets cemented in with the rock.
The second group of sedimentary rocks are called classic rocks. Classic rocks are made up of fragments of previously existing rocks. Some classic rocks are made of rounded pebbles are cemented together by mud, clay, and sand.
The last type of rock is called a chemical rock. Chemical rocks are formed when a lake or a river dries up and rock is left. Limestone is a type of organic rock. Limestones are formed from tiny pieces of shell of dead sea animals that have been cemented together.
Sedimentary rocks are found at beaches, in riverbeds, or even in sand dunes. They are very easy to identify since you can actually see the layers. Fossils are often seen in sedimentary rocks. Some examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, limestone, and shale.
70% of all rocks on Earth are sedimentary rocks.
This was Sedimentary Rocks by Victoria, Sarah, and Courtney.